How to use Taskade for beginners. Hey everyone, in this video, I'm going to show you how to use Taskade, the easiest, smartest way to manage your tasks, notes, and even teams, all in one place. Whether you are a student or content creator or just trying to organize your life, this tool can be very helpful for you. Now, if you're not familiar with what is Taskade, so it is basically a all-in-one productivity app that helps you to manage tasks, write notes, plan projects, and even collaborate with AI agents, all without needing any technical skill or website skill. Think of it as mix of Notion plus Trello or ChatGPT, but way simpler. You can use it for personal planning, school projects, or content creation, or you can use as well remote team for or anything in between. Now, if you understand what is Taskade, so then just let's get started of this video. First thing first, what you have to do is sign up for free. Just simply type Taskade in your browser and it will take you to this website where if you have already an account, just simply click on the login. But if you haven't created any account, just simply click on sign up for free. And it will take you to this page where you can add your email, username, and password. I will go with the Google because I have a Google account. Just simply because it more simple way you can connect with. Now it will ask you how will you use this Taskade. I will work for my work. Now generate AI projects. Click on the continue, and then it will take you to the dashboard of Taskade. So this is a basic dashboard of the Taskade, as you can see here. Now, so as you can see here, this is a home page, and this is a basic dashboard of this Taskade. Now, this is your primary navigation area. Workspace icon, if you are able to see, we are using free version, so it says free, as you can see here. Now, if you see this search bar, this is for quickly search through your project, task, and notes, or even templates. You can search over here. Now, if you scroll down and see there is an option of home, you simply open it. In the home, you will get to see projects, AI agents, AI teams, automation, media, and AI kits. So, project is basically you can store all your project files over here. You have one project listed already, which name is getting started, as you can see here. Now, let's jump to AI agent. AI agent is basically it lets you to create AI powered agents for automating responses, task handling, on generating content. And AI agent is currently set up already, as you can see here. Now, if you want to create AI agents, just simply click on it. It will give you two options from scratch, or you can browse from template as well. Let's move to AI teams. This is for collaborative team that can work with AI agents. This feature is available only in the pro plan, so we are not going to use this. Now let's go to automation section. So this is it allows to creating workflows or automation between um, task or external apps. It is currently no automation are created right now. Now, if you want to create automation, you can just simply click on the create automation and follow the guides. I will create one automation just for tutorial. And let's see, go into media, a central place to manage your upload media files like image, videos, and documents. So this will be currently right now it is empty because I haven't uploaded anything over here. So let's move to AI kits. Now, this is a pre-built template or tool for specific AI workflows. Now, like workflow, like ideal generation, documentation, and summarization. This is also currently empty because we haven't created anything yet. Now, if you go to new team, so this is basically it lets you to create new team within the workspace, but it requires a pro plan. Now, let's move to main dashboard. This is uh, this is where you manage and interact with your project content. At the top, you will get to see the project option. It basically show all the project folder and file, as you can see here. we have they have created a sample project over here, so you will get to see. Now let's move to task. Task is basically you can filter down to any task listed. As you can see here, you can create a filter. You can see, let's see, right now assigned to me, it will appear all assigned projects over here. Now let's move to roadmap. Roadmap is basically high level overview for project timeline and goals. So yeah, and templates are is it is basically pre-built templates for and quick project and task creation. As you can see here, they have lot of already pre-built templates like Taskade feature kit collection, digital bullet journal, and lot of things they have. Now let's move to completed. You can see a finished task or achieved project over here. Right now it is empty because we already haven't created anything. Now let's back to our main dashboard, and this is a create with AI. You can use Taskade AI to generate a project structure automatically using this one. And this is the start from scratch. You can manually create a blank project, and this is a import. It basically to bring in data or projects from other tools like Notion or Trello or like that. Now in the left side there are some icons over here. This is a quick access of all the tools. Like you can search over here and just search by project. You can choose task or you can choose comment as well. And if you want to go to recent one, this is all, it will show all the project which you have opened or created in recent time. Go to my task, it will show you all tasks which you have created. Today's task, adjust the filter to see more tasks. You can do a lot of things. Now if you go to calendar, so basically calendar is a basic calendar where you can add something. Like if you want to add feature or if you want to add events, you can add from here. Now go to start. So like this will, there are no start project because we haven't created and not given any start. This base, it just, it means just if you have given a star to a specific project, it will show up. It's like you have, you can filter out your favorite project over here just by giving a star. Now if you go with shared with me, from here basically you can manage the where you have project only access are displayed here. So yeah, this is a basic. Let's create. Now let's build a Taskade project. For example, we will create content planner. So let's get started. Now what you have to do, you have to come on this project area and just simply click on this icon create project. It will ask you to two types. Either you can import a project from another tool or you can start with a blank or you can use AI project. So for starter, I will use start with a blank over here. Now you have to give if you want to like give a tour, you can do that. But now you can, from here you can make it yours. You can enter your title, click on the next. This is where you can, so I have script the tour. But yeah, let's get started. You have to rename your project, give a name like YouTube content calendar. Now, let's, what you have to do is just simply delete this because I don't need this. Now, after that, you have to break into sessions. Like now, what you have to do is just simply add the, now as you can see here, I have added some like, title, and then I have added a calendar showing this. Now you can break into section as well. You can add task under the each section. You can add checkboxes. You can use images to keep it fun. Now you can assign dates as well. So let's if you want to use Taskade, you can use Taskade AI. Just ask me anything, just type whatever you want, and you will get to see that. Now what you have to do is, after doing that, now you can enter all of just copy this thing again. Let's see what happens. Copy, paste it over here. Now let's say we have complete all. Let's, now as you can see here, we have added our content calendar successfully. It is not look good, but you can automate things from here as well. In the project, our project is visible. So whenever this complete, just simply tick on it. Now let's create with AI. Simply click on the create with AI and enter your goal or task and next big project. What you have to do there. Now give a 3 video title ideas from productivity tools. Let's like give me 3 videos title ideas for productivity activity tool. I have added this prompt, or you can say let the AI response in real time. Click on the, you can upload your files as well. If you want to add links, you can do. Click on it and it will creating a project. Now wait for a few seconds to create his agent. Now as you can see here, it is taking. Now it will ask you to, if you want to create a project, just simply click on the create project and then it will finalize. Now this is like a chat GPT, but inside your planner. So yeah, we have successfully created our first content kind of, uh, we have created this is a project using you're using AI. As you can see here, they have not started yet. They have labels, they have priorities, they have assigned email. If you want to change the assignment, or if you want to assign to different team member, you can add that too from here. So it is a basic overview of take a task aid. Now you can do a lot of things over here. You can automate things. Now if you want to create automation, like let's say if you want to create like let's, or you can just browse from templates. Like you can see, uh, let me choose the templates. Now you can use this automation to generate a summary for your completed task and create a new task in Taskade with this summary. Just use this automation. So as you can see here, we have successfully imported our automation. This is a triggered, and this is generate with AI. This is add task, and you can add step as well. Now they have some errors. Please complete all required fields. From here, you can choose all projects, YouTube content creator, and then select week. From here, you have to give a little bit. You have to give the prompt over here, and you have to give inputs as well. Now go to task. Now choose the project which you want to add. Block this one, content, start, and save. So it will save your automation from here. So we have created a untitled automation over here. So it will basically create a summary of any video. So if you want to run, just simply click on the run, and there are no run activities to display. Click on it again. So please complete all required. Okay, I have to enter a lot of things over here. So this is how you can create your AI agent. Now, let's say if you want to deploy a team of multiple agents, you can do that from here. Click on the create. It will give 3 options: AI agent, AI team, automation, or AI project. Choose from his, and you can create a template as well. You can browse from template as well. Let's say we browse template. So they have a lot of templates like digital bullet journal, and you can use from you can use these templates based on your needs. So yeah, that's it, and this is a basic overview of Taskade. So if you like this video, then subscribe to the channel, and thanks for watching.